Hi, I am Lanoke Intan Paradita from Yogyakarta, Indonesia. My friends usually call me Uke or Lanoke. I believe there are many influential people in our life, especially our teachers, or if we are teachers, there are other teachers who become our inspirations. I remember one of my colleagues once mentioned that the best source for teachers is other teachers. That is why teachers should work together and collaborate. There is one fellow teacher in my university that I knew for the first time back in 2011. Her name is Lulu Iswati. We became closer when we worked as a team for a self-access center at Language Training Center, Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta when we worked. At that time, she was the coordinator for SAC and I helped her manage it. I remember that the first task I had to do was to make flowcharts and SOPs for some activities. It's pretty much administrative, but she paid attention to my work. She gave feedback and I felt that I was trusted. She let me to do my work in my own way, take the risk, but she was always there if I needed help. When I know her more, I found out that it is also how she teaches her students. Back then, when we taught at the Language Training Center, I often saw her do grading to students' work and wrote feedback to their works. Not without whining because the piles of works are high, but she seemed to enjoy it. I saw her taking her job very seriously. When she shared about her teaching at classes, how she had to deal with the students, what materials she shared at class, I think she trusts her students. She gives them room to grow, to explore, to be critical, but she is always there whenever the students need her. Lulu makes things simple for her students, and she saw her students as individuals, as whole persons. And there is another teacher that shapes my version of good teacher. His name is Hong Yi. He's from Singapore Polytechnic. I met him last year when we had a program called Learning Express. In the program, some of the students from our universities came and stayed together at the community to observe, find problems and potentials, and create prototypes as part of the solution. I was one of the facilitators and it was my first time. Hong Yi at that time was the master facilitator. I remember many times during the process, I was so eager to help the students, to give them, the answers, which turned out not to be the best ones because after all, it's my own perspectives and that when I try to lead and direct the students to my answers, their ideas and creativity were curbed. It was a rough time for me as a facilitator because it is so difficult to see the students were having messy heads and the discussions that stuck. But then I saw how Hong Yi helped them. Like Lulu, he trusted the students that they would find their own ways. So he sparked questions that triggered the students' ideas and led them to do the rest. He led them to have, the messy heads. But he was always there whenever the students needed him. He gave support that the students need. And in the end of the day, I saw that the students owned their journey and whatever results they created. And I think that what makes their learning meaningful. So from Lulu and Hong Yi, I realized as a teacher, I need to see my students as individuals who are unique and have potentials. Something great is within them, and it is also my job to let this greatness to spur them into whoever great they can be. So trust the students, let the messiness in their head to happen, and give support whenever they need.